I'm Anthony Barone with Henderson Brothers Financial Partners. If you've recently changed jobs, you may be wondering what to do with your old retirement account. You're not alone. You generally have 4 options to consider. First, you can roll the account into your new employer's retirement plan. This can help keep everything consolidated in one place, and there are typically no tax implications when done properly. Second, you can roll your assets into an individual retirement account, or IRA, at a financial institution of your choice. This option often provides more flexibility, and like the first option, it can be completed without triggering taxes. Third, you may be able to leave your account with your former employer's plan. Not all plans allow this, so it's important to review the specific plan rules. Finally, you could choose to cash out the account. However, this option often comes with taxes and potential penalties, so it's generally considered only in more urgent financial situations. Each option has its pros and cons, so the right choice largely depends on your overall financial picture. If you'd like help reviewing your options, I'd be happy to connect and help you determine what makes the most sense for your situation. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you watching.